वालेकुम दोस्तों, तो आज का हमारा लेक्चर है प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड स्टैट। रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट, एन एक्सपेरिमेंट which produce different result even though it is repeated a large number of times under essentially similar condition is called random experiment। ये रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट की डेफिनेशन है। इसकी एग्जांपल देखते हैं। द टॉसिंग ऑफ अ फेयर क्वीन, the throwing of a balanced die, drawing of a card from a wheel, shuffled decks of 52 playing cards, selecting a simple etc. are example of random experiment. A random experiment has three properties. Random experiment की तीन properties हैं. The experiment can be repeated practically or theoretically any number of times. Second है, the experiment always has two or more possible outcomes. An experiment that has only one possible outcome is it not a random experiment. Third है, the outcome of each repetition is unpredictable. For example, it has some degree of uncertainty. Trial and outcomes क्या होते हैं? A single performance of an experiment is called trial. The result obtained from an experiment or a trial is called outcomes. Sample space क्या होता है? A complete list of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space or possibility space and is denoted by S. Each outcome is called element of the sample space. A sample space may contain any number of outcomes. If it contains finite numbers of outcomes, it is called finite or discrete sample space. When two bulbs are selected from a lot, the possible outcome are four, which can be continued as. For example, both bulbs are defective. Second है, first is defective and second is good. First is good and second is defective. Both are good. दूसरी इसकी एग्जांपल देखते हैं। A queen is tossed. When a queen is tossed, जब हम एक क्वीन का टॉस करते हैं ना, it has two possible outcomes. इसमें दो आउटकम्स होती हैं. One is called head and the other is called tail. जिसमें एक हेड होता है और दूसरा टेल होता है. Any one of two face by called head. To be fair, head is denoted by H and tail is denoted by T. Thus the sample space consists of head and tail. In set theory notions we can write S. S is equal to head, tail or it. Two queens tossed. When two queens are tossed, there are four possible outcomes. Let H1 and H2 denoted the head and the tail on the first queen, and H2 and H2 denoted by the head and tail. ये देख लें, आपको समझ आ जानी है, ये खुद आप कर लीजिएगा. बाकी इट्स अवर डेफिनेशन, इवेंट और सबसेट की डेफिनेशन. Any part of the sample space is called an event or a subset. Any event may contain one or more than one outcomes. When an event consists of a single outcome sample point, it is called sample event. An event which has two or more outcomes is called compound event. Next देखते हैं equally likely outcomes. The outcomes of a sample space are called equally likely if all of them has the same chances of occurrence. It is very difficult to decide whatever or not the outcomes are equally likely. But in this book we shall assertion is most of experiment that the outcomes are equally like. We shall apply the actions of equally like is the follow case. ये दो इसकी एग्जांपल्स हैं, ये आपने खुद देख लेनी है. आगे है not equally likely outcomes. When all the outcomes of a sample space do not have equal chances of occurrence, the outcomes are called not equally likely. When a matchbox is through, all the 6 faces are not equally likely. If a big contains ball of different size, a ball is selected at random. Then all the balls are not equally likely. ये इसकी एग्जांपल्स हैं, ये आपने देख लेनी है. तो आज का हमारा ये लेक्चर था. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको चल सब समझ आया होगा. मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह अगले लेक्चर में. इस बात के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.